Welcome to Mastering Information Technology Law, your gateway to understanding the legal pulse of the digital age. This course offers a comprehensive dive into the IT Act 2000, cybercrimes, digital contracts, e-commerce regulations, and intellectual property in the digital age. From tackling cyber jurisdiction to decoding digital rights, we prepare you to face today's legal tech challenges head-on. Join us and master the frameworks that shape our digital future. This course is thoughtfully designed to give you a deep and structured understanding of information technology law in India. Aligned with the academic LLB curriculum, it also bridges the gap between legal theory and real-world application. Across 9 rigorous modules, you'll explore the evolution of cyber law, digital governance under the IT Act 2000, and the new cybercrime landscape shaped by the Indian Penal laws of 2023, the BNSS, and BSA. From global perspectives on e-commerce and data privacy to the complexities of IP protection in cyberspace, this course empowers you to confidently engage with today's digital legal challenges. Ideal for law students, legal professionals, IT experts, corporate consultants, and civil service aspirants, this is your pathway to mastering the intersection of law and technology. In this course, you'll master the evolution and core principles of cyber jurisdiction and cyberspace law. Dive deep into the Information Technology Act of 2000 and its practical enforcement. Understand the critical links between cyber law and intellectual property rights. Gain a comprehensive grasp of cyber crimes under both Indian and international laws. Explore the legal frameworks shaping e-commerce and electronic contracts. Plus, stay ahead by learning about emerging challenges like data protection, privacy, cyber terrorism, and the evolving laws around artificial intelligence. We will cover Module Overview in Module 1, introduces you to cyber law and jurisdiction in cyberspace, exploring the digital ecosystem, the intersection of technology and law, and jurisdiction from both Indian and international perspectives, highlighted by landmark case laws. Module 2 dives into the Information Technology Act of 2000, covering its genesis, objectives, enforcement authorities, and the evolving role of investigative agencies, alongside key amendments and interactions with other laws. In Module 3, we focus on electronic governance and the legal recognition of digital instruments, from electronic records and signatures to the responsibilities of certifying authorities and securing digital infrastructure. Module 4 covers e-commerce and digital contracts, including international influences like the UNCITRAL model law, the enforceability of e-contracts, and legal challenges in online payments, banking, and taxation. Finally, Module 5 explores cyber law's intersection with intellectual property rights, addressing copyright, patents for computer-related inventions, trademark disputes, and database protection in both Indian and global contexts. Module 6 tackles cybercrimes from both Indian and international legal perspectives, exploring classifications of cyber offenses under the IT Act 2000 and the new 2023 legislations, BNSS, and BSA, alongside global treaties addressing cyber offenses. Module 7 dives deeper into specific cyber offenses, including hacking, cyber terrorism, child pornography, phishing, and cyberbullying. It also covers credit card fraud, net extortion, and IRC crimes, plus investigation protocols and the admissibility of electronic evidence. In Module 8, we focus on data privacy, protection, and surveillance. Topics include the landmark Puttaswamy judgment on the right to privacy, data retention laws, global regulations like GDPR and CCPA compared to India's approach, and challenges around digital surveillance and intermediary liability. In the final module, we explore emerging trends and future challenges in IT law. Delve into the legal accountability of artificial intelligence and the rising threats from deepfakes, identity theft, and biometric privacy concerns. Understand evolving legal frameworks around blockchain technology and Web3 innovations. Finally, gain insights into the future of cybersecurity regulation in India, preparing you for the next frontier in digital law. Landmark Judgments and Case Law Repository, a comprehensive resource for students, professionals, and legal practitioners. Chapter 1 covers key Supreme Court and CB Tribunal rulings on shares, CB regulations, NBFCs, and the Securities Contracts Regulation Act. Chapter 2 provides in-depth analysis and expert commentary on these landmark judgments, helping you not only understand the rulings, but also their broader implications on securities law and financial regulation. Require a basic understanding of the Indian legal system to help you get started. Familiarity with constitutional and criminal law will be beneficial, but don't worry, no technical background is needed. All IT concepts are carefully explained within their legal context, making the course accessible and easy to follow for everyone. This course is perfectly suited for LLB and LLM students aiming to specialize in IT law, as well as legal educators and academic professionals seeking deeper insights. It's invaluable for civil service and judiciary aspirants, tech lawyers, and cyber law consultants. IT professionals involved in compliance, privacy, and security laws will also benefit greatly. Plus, entrepreneurs, contract managers, and corporate executives handling digital transactions will find this course essential for navigating the legal landscape of the digital world. For expert legal guidance across a wide range of areas, including FEMA for NRIs and high net worth individuals, family law, real estate, criminal law, taxation, employment, and immigration, reach out to Pro Legal Minds. Visit us at www.prolegalminds.com, email us at hello@prolegalminds.com, or call 949-440-51717. We're here to support you with trusted legal expertise.